Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Then stay safe, stay home. Do the homework well and post to your concerned class teacher. Okay, children. Now in this class, I am going to explain about in previous class what I explained, that exercises I am going to explain. From that one I am going to give the homework. Okay, children. First I explained about Varnamala. Varnamala, different methods, different types, means it is divided into three types: Swar, Vyanjan and Samyuktakshara. I explained the detailed manner. Then how many letters in that one, and what is short, which are the short vowels and which are the long vowels I explained. After that, Vyanjanakshar having Alpapran or Mahapran letters, what which letters are those, and Samyuktakshar, which letters sounds are there hidden in that one. I explained all this one. After that, two letter words we learn. No, after that what we learn? Two letter words means how we join the two letters, how we took the two letters from that Varnamala, how we joined, I already explained that. Then now two letter words without symbol I explained. I gave the exercise as join the letters and match the meaning. Okay, understand? Now I am going to give the homework related to this all. You must have to write and post to your concerned class teacher. Okay, children. First I give the fill in the blanks. Now first question. No, sorry. Fill in the blanks. Okay, in this one, first one is what are the next letters you must have to fill that. Okay, the second one, Ru, the next O. Okay, children. Now next one, second question. Circle the Swarakshar letter. Okay, Swar letters. First one, Pa. Okay, next one, Bha. Then next, okay, third one is circle the Vyanjan letters. Okay, first is A, Ra, U, Ta and Ru. Second one, Ba, Sha, okay, ma, ra and ha. Okay. Fourth question. Identify the अल्प प्राण. अल्प प्राणाक्षर. ओके. ये B, then okay. The next fifth question was join the letters. First one is ga plus ja is equal to what is that? Second one, jha plus sha. Okay. Third one, gha plus ta. Okay, children. See what I gave the exercises here. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks means you must have to see. First identify the letter. First word. First letter you have to identify and fill this one. After this letter, which letter it is coming? Ka after what is that? Kha. Then jha. Jha after what is that? Ini. Then next da. Da after what is that? Dha. Then second one. E. E after what is that? E. Ru after ye. O after au. Here what I gave circle the swar letters. Swar means swarakshar letters. Here which letters are swarakshar? You have to identify ja, e, pa, u, ta, and da, o, bha, ru, ka. In this one, in these two questions, which are the swarakshar letters, you have to circle it and send. The next circle the vyanjan letters. Here Vyanjanakshar letters are given here. Together swar and vyanjan I gave, combined I gave here. Which are the Vyanjanakshar letters? See here a, ja, u, ta and ru. And ba, ksha. Ksha is a Vyanjanakshar letter or what is that? You must have to identify. Ma. Ma it is what? Ra, ha. Which are the Vyanjan letters? You must have to circle that. And identify the Alp Pranakshar and circle it. Okay, identify the Alp Pranakshar and circle that. Okay, children. Here see tha, da, da, pha. Alp Pran. Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa and ga, ja, da, da, ba is there, no? That one. Na, u, cha, ta. Okay. The next join the letters. Only three I gave. These two letters you have to join and write in this blank. Jha and sha, jhash, gha and ta, ghat. Together these two letters you have to write and fill the blank. Okay, children. Up to this time, up to here, I explained all this one. You must have to remember this all and practice at home. Write, do the homework well in good handwriting and post to your concerned class teacher. Till we meet next time, up to that time, thank you, children. Okay, stay safe, stay home, and thank you.